Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel Offer Amazon. Today I discuss you about best mixer grinders in India 2021 buying guide and app. Reviews. Indian food is the only one in the world where you get a variety of chutneys. You have the coconut chutney, groundnut chutney, onion chutney, tomato chutney, and so on. The list is a very exhaustive one. No Indian meal is complete without a combination of chutneys. How do you prepare these chutneys? What is the major kitchen appliance you need for preparing these chutneys? It's mixer grinder, mixie, grinding stone, Sumit. We highly recommend you to read the mixer grinder buying guide at the end of the article to get in-depth knowledge about all the latest mixer grinder technologies. This is the age of the internet. You get everything online today. The mixer grinder is not different in any way. There are e-commerce websites like Amazon where you get a great choice. Let us look at some of the best mixer grinders in India. Best mixer grinders in India. Number 1, Preeti Zodiac MG218 mixer grinder, 750 watt, 5 jars. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you buy from this link the channel will help you. The brand is known for making one of the highest sales of mixer grinder in the country. The grinder has a robust motor with the specifications being 750 watt with voltage of 230 volt AC, approximately 50 Hz, and comes with a warranty of 5 long years. It is powerful enough to grind turmeric into a powder in just 2 minutes. There are 3 speed controls which can be accessed via a knob. And the package has a Master Chef Plus jar, which is the main container for food processing. It can be used for carrying out many tasks like dough kneading, which can be done in 1 minute, chopping of vegetables and green can be done in just 2 pulses, grating and slicing can be done by placing the required blades, and you can see the results in seconds. Not just veggies and greens, its robust motor also enables it to mince meat within a few minutes. Further, it has a Insta Fresh Fruit Juicer jar and citrus press for juicing oranges, mandarins, sweet lime, etc. The super extraction feature can be used for coconut and tamarind extraction and blending. The base of the unit has non-slip feet which ensures that the unit stays stable. In case of any overload, the color of indicator light changes from blue to red. This is its safety indicator which indicates that the motor has tripped. In such a case, the user would have to reset the overload protector located at the bottom of the unit. Pros: free lifelong service, faster motor cooling for a powerful motor. It produces only 80D flat. Safety features: cons: extensive use of plastic. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 2, Philips HL7756 OO mixer grinder, 750 watt, 3 jars. Philips has been a world renowned in the electronics segment. Let's see if Philips HL7756 OO mixer grinder lives up to the brand name. The motor of this mixer is powered by 750 watt and voltage 230 volt. It has a newly designed turbo motor for continuous grinding for longer duration. It's powerful enough to grind black hole gram. The manufacturer gives a warranty of 5 years on the motor. There are 3 speed controls and pulse functions that can be carried out by the knob. Philips didn't end it there. The unit has been given an advanced air ventilation system for faster cooling of the motor, which sees that the motor has longer life. The mixer has been equipped with a coupler is made of tougher plastic for firm engagement between the jars and the body, which ensures a continuous and stable grinding performance while you carry on with other tasks or your cooking. The package contains 3 jars, having various sizes. The wet jar has a capacity of 1.5 liters, the multi-purpose jar has 1 liter of capacity, and chutney jar has the capacity of 0.3 liters. The jars are made out of food-grade stainless steel. Food-grade high-quality stainless steel jar ensures that the grinding of batters, purees and pastes, milkshakes, lassis etc. can be done in the same jar. The transparent lid allows visibility of the ingredients for gauging the perfect consistency to suit your cooking. The body is made out of ABS. The blade material is stainless steel. Pros: high quality built, powerful grinder, advanced technology for grinding. Cons: only 2 features, grinding and juicing. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 3, Preeti Zion MG227 mixer grinder, 750 watt, 4 jars. It has a 750 watt and voltage 230 volt powered motor for high and durable performance. The HVDC motor keeps a check on the noise production. The manufacturer gives a warranty of 5 years on the motor. There are 3 speed levels that can be controlled by the knob. Philips didn't end it there. The unit has been given an advanced air ventilation system for faster cooling of the motor, which sees that the motor has longer life. The bottom has vacuumed feet for a strong stance. There are various tasks that can be done in a matter of a few minutes, like dough kneading, chopping of vegetables and grating and slicing, which can often be a tedious task, can actually be done by placing the required blades as per the cut needed, and you can see the results in seconds without having to break a sweat. Not just the tender vegetables and greens, its HVDC motor also minces meat within a few minutes. One of the attachments provided enables the user to squeeze sit. The package has various units: a bottom assembly, jar, chutney jar, lathe, dome, master chef and jar, dough kneader, 0.2 liter jar, chopping blade, slicing blade, grating blade, citrus press, flexi lathe, stirrer. Except for the master chef jar and citrus juicer, all the other jars are made out of high quality steel jar. It has a built-in safety indicator which turns the orange light to red. The user is suggested to immediately switch the unit off and let it cool down. The company has ensured that although the motor is powerful, the noise produced is checked and stays between 80 to 90 decibels. Pros: multiple users, compact controlled noise. Cons: little difficult to work on the twist and lock system. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 4. Philips HL770700 mixer grinder, 750 watt, 4 jars. The motor runs by wattage of 750 watt with voltage of 230 volt. The grinder's revolution per minute is a maximum of 20,000 revolutions per minute. The powerful 750 watt motor has an extremely compact build which can fit into kitchens of any size as it takes minimum storage space. Moreover, the gear drive technology that has been built into the system supports perfect food processing in no time. There are 3 speed controls given along with pulsing by the use of the knob installed. This powerful motor comes with a warranty of 5 long years. The package has leak-proof 4 jars of different sizes. The biggest being the Chef Pro jar having a capacity of 2.2 liters. The wet jar is of 1.5 L multi-purpose jar with a capacity of 1 liter, and the smallest being the chutney jar with a capacity of 0.5 liter. The jar's material is of stainless steel and the body material is ABS. The sharp blade is made of stainless steel, hence has a long life. The various jars can be used for multiple purposes like power chop for easy and convenient chopping. This can be done by using special disc inserts designed for the purpose of slicing and shredding the ingredients to the finest, mixing, grinding, chopping, grating. It can also be used for kneading the dough in a couple of minutes. Pros: the motor functions almost noiselessly. Extremely compact and sleek looking, dishwasher safe accessories. Powerful motor. Cons: doesn't not have a dedicated juicer. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 5. Boss TrueMix Pro 1000 watt mixer grinder. Boss has created a niche for itself in the electronics segment and has made great quality products. This mixer has a muscular capacity of 1000 watts. It can sustain long periods of grinding without having the issue of heating up or getting burnt. One can use it for 30 minutes motor rating with 5 minutes on and 2 minutes off. Maximum 6 cycles can be repeated. Further, Boss has added special pounding blades made out of high quality stainless steel blades for high performance during both wet, dry and chutney grinding, designed especially for giving the user the perfect texture and authentic taste. The package has high grade stainless steel jars in 3 different sizes and 1 plastic jar. The ergonomic design of jar makes for easy operations and efficient utility. The largest being the wet grinder, the smallest for making chutneys, and the mid-sized can be used as desired. The plastic jar can be used as a juicer or to make smoothies. The lock on the lids of each jar is made out of the best quality of plastic, making it strong and durable. It has strong suction feet to hold itself tight to the surface. This lets the user go completely hands-free while operating. The design of the unit is attractive and unique. The thoughtful design makes it one of the most compact mixers in the market. It can be easily stored in a kitchen of any size. Pros: extremely powerful motor, compact, superior build quality. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Final thoughts: you have just seen the features of the best mixie brands available in India. Let us now end the article with some tips on how to use the mixie efficiently. Avoid using hot ingredients as you can damage the jar walls. Ensure to add sufficient water while making idly. Dosa batters and purees. It is important to have proper earthing systems in place to avoid unnecessary accidents. Allow air inside the jar to escape before operating the mixie. This guide should prove useful to you when you wish to purchase the best mixer grinder for your home. Husbands should note that without the mixie, they might not get their food. Hence, you see many houses having a spare mixie in place in case one develops an issue. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, thank you, have a nice day.